How do you add and subtract integers? One way is to use the number line. Let's consider the case 2 plus 3. We'll use the first number as our starting point on the number line. There's the point corresponding to 2. I'm adding a positive number. When you add a positive number, you move to the right, the increasing direction on the number line. Since I'm adding 3, I will move over 3 places. As a result, I end up at the point 5. 2 plus 3 turns out to equal 5. I think we knew that one. Suppose we're subtracting. If you have 2 and you want to subtract 3, you can turn this into an addition of signed numbers. 2 plus a negative 3. Subtracting can be changed into adding the opposite. In this case, I'm starting at 2 again, but I'm adding a negative 3. When you add a negative quantity, you're going to move to the left, the decreasing direction. 1, 2, 3. I am adding a negative 3, and I'm ending up at negative 1. That's adding or subtracting a positive number. Subtracting a positive number is the same as adding its opposite. You can do the same thing if you're adding or subtracting a negative number. For example, if I'm going to take 2 and add a negative 1, I'm simply going to start at 2 and move left 1. I'm adding a negative. And I get 1 when I do that. But when I subtract the negative 1, remember that I said that we can do subtraction by adding the opposite. So this becomes 2 plus the opposite of negative 1, which is a positive 1, and this has become a regular addition problem with positive numbers. Starting at 2, going over at 1, and ending up at 3, which we already knew, but it's good to see that it works with the rules for adding and subtracting numbers on the number line.